Hello to all of my Humanities 102 students. I wanted to take a quick minute and create a visual that I think is going to help you to understand how some of the assignments are going to be working in this course. Some assignments in Humanities 102 are going to lead into our project. Some assignments are not. This visual image is going to help you determine which ones are and which ones are not. The assignments that do lead into the project, you're going to complete those assignments with the same creative works and the same theme throughout that all of those assignments. And so I wanted to just make that clear that you are not reinventing the wheel for each section of that project, but rather you are building on what you are starting in Module 2. So let's take a look here. You'll see the arrows that go across the middle of the screen. We've got the 2-2 project proposal. That's going to be the first part of your project. You're going to select your creative works. You're going to select your topic of interest, either mental health, diversity, or activism. And then from there, you're the next piece of the project you'll do in Module 4. And you're going to continue to expand on those creative works. And there's some prompts that you'll go through and submit. That's sort of the part 2. Then in Module 5, understanding our identity, we're going to dive into that idea of identity and how the humanities really feed into that, and how our identities feed into it, and how the humanities feed into our identity, and how they work together. And so that's the part 3 of that assignment, of that project. And then in Module 7, you're going to put all of that together and submit. Finalized, revised, implementing feedback, and just giving your best work there in Module 7. So those are the assignments that are feeding into the project. And like I said, that whatever creative works and topic you pick in that Module 2, you're going to keep those through all of those assignments that lead into the project. You're just building as you go. Now, there are other assignments in Humanities 102, just as important, but that are not feeding into the project. So the 1-2, you'll see the short answer assignment. Anything that says short answer does not feed into the project. So the short answer assignment in modules 1, 3, and 6, you can see those here on my little graph, as well as the discussion boards. These are supplemental, not supplemental in the fact that they don't count. They do count towards your grade. They're just as important as the other assignments, but they are not feeding into the project. So I just wanted to make that clear. I think this visual will kind of help you as you navigate this. And I'm going to post another video that's going to go over this project and some of the requirements, just to kind of help bring some clarity. And don't forget, you can always email me with any questions or concerns that you might have. It's b.baird, BAIRD, at snhu.edu.